Hi, welcome to tripleclaim.com. My name is Armin and I will guide you through the recreation of a game prop from start to finish. The first thing we need to do is get a reference image into Blender. So to make it easier to model things, I will center it on the x-axis. This looks fine, okay. The next thing I will do is create a plane, rotate it on the x-axis by 90 degrees. I will delete one edge, so I only have vertices left, no faces. And I will use these vertices to create a basic outline of the whole shape. I am being a bit sloppy here because I am trying to reduce the recording time. What I am doing here is pressing the Ctrl plus the left mouse click. That lets you easily extrude single vertices. I subdivided this one so I have even divisions, and now I will take the whole shape and mirror it on the x-axis so I don't have to do the same job twice. You can press the spacebar and search for any function you need. I typed in mirror and now I am going to weld these two top vertices. The shortcut is Alt plus M. You can easily see all the shortcuts in the bottom left corner. This side is not the exact mirror of the opposite side, so I need to fix it up a bit. Now I continue by control clicking where I want the vertices to be created. You can press Ctrl F to connect two vertices, and by this the general outline is done. By selecting two edges and pressing the F key, you can create a face between them. I duplicated one vertex to create this cutout in the middle. As you see, control clicking works really fast. And now I need to fill in the whole shape. The topology is not that important because this model will not be deformed in any way. It will always move as a whole. What is important is that I keep the poly count as low as I can. The next thing I need to do is select everything and extrude the sides. I will delete all the back polygons because they will never be seen. The next thing we need to do is to unwrap this model. Now we select edges that we are going to mark as seams. I will come back to the arranging of the UV layout after I have the whole model done. And now we go through the same process. Now we will repeat the same process for the 3 panels. I have sped up the video so you don't have to watch the whole thing again. You should try to cover as much of the UV space as you can. All of these sides are going to have the same texture on them, so I will layer them on top of each other. I was a bit messy here because these parts are hardly ever going to be seen. And the one last thing we need to do is export this UV layout as an image file and import it to GIMP. I have it already set up here, and the only thing I had to do was arrange the textures on the according UV space. And I will export it as a PNG file. And back in Blender we need to fix these cardboard side because I made them a bit thicker than I intended, so I will adjust them to the texture file. I need to scale them in the x-axis so they line up perfectly. I forgot to fix this cutout in the middle. And by that the texturing is basically done. Thank you for watching, and please join us for the second part where I'm going to rig this model. Thank you.